Hello, today we will guide you through how to add bank account to your profile on Vinted. If you want to receive payouts smoothly on Vinted, adding your bank account to your profile is an important step. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process from the Vinted homepage all the way to entering your bank details and completing the setup using the instructions shown on your screen. Begin by going to the Vinted website. Once the page is loaded, look toward the top left area of the screen and click on your profile. This will open your account options and give you access to the settings connected to your Vinted account. From there, click on Settings. This is where Vinted keeps the main controls for your account, including profile preferences, account management, and payment-related options. If you don't immediately see everything, take a moment to scan the menu carefully so you select the correct section. Inside Settings, click on Payments. This area is specifically for managing how money moves through your account, including the payout information used when you need to receive funds. Opening this section will bring you to the Payment Settings page. Next, click on Add Bank Account. This will open the form where you can enter the banking information required for your account. At this point, it's a good idea to make sure you have your bank details ready so you can complete the form accurately without interruptions. Now enter your bank account details in the fields provided. Be sure to type everything carefully and double check for any mistakes before moving forward. Even a small typo can cause delays or issues with verification, so it's worth taking an extra moment here to review the information you've entered. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. Vinted may guide you through additional confirmation steps, depending on your region or the type of account you are adding. Just continue through each prompt exactly as shown until the bank account has been successfully added to your profile. And that's it. Once the process is complete, your bank account should be connected to your Vinted profile for payouts and payment-related activity. If anything doesn't look right while you're entering your details, pause and review the information before submitting. Taking your time during setup helps avoid problems later. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made adding a bank account to your Vinted profile simple and clear.